Hi friends, welcome to the Glow Design world. Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you a letter portrait design in Photoshop. This is very essential for your design thinking. Please like this video and give your valuable feedback on comment box. If you need any help, let me know. I will try to solve your problem next time. So friends, stay with us if you want to get the latest updates on a platform. So no need to say anything else, let's go to the point. Create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow this settings. Take Type tool and write letter C. This font link is in description. Change the font size. I think 250 point size is great. Now select the text layer or background layer, and click on Horizontal Align Center or Vertical Align Center. Now go to another image. This image link is in description. I already removed background this image. Click and drag it to main project. Now Ctrl T and Command T for Mac to resize this image. Now select the text layer and go to Blending option. Stock, follow this settings. Inner shadow, follow the settings. Drop shadow, follow this settings. Now place this image. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Duplicate this layer. Select this layer, right-click and create clipping mask. Now select the top image layer and mask. Select the text layer, right-click and select pixels. Go to Select, Inverse. Select the mask, pick brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Follow this process. Create a new layer. Pick brush and follow this process. Okay, I think that's good. Hey friends, if you need any type of letter portrait design, please tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.